Tigers are the largest cat species in the world, reaching up to 3.3 meters in length and weighing up to 670 pounds. Tigers are easily recognizable with their dark vertical stripes and reddish/orange fur. The Bengal tiger is the most common tiger. Tigers live between 20 to 26 years in the wild. Our planet is home to 5 species of rhinoceros: the black rhino, white rhino, which live in Africa, and the Sumatran, Jawang and Indian rhino are in Asia. These brilliant beasts are known for their awesome, giant horns that grow from their snouts. The largest of the 5 species is the white rhino, which can grow to 1.8 meters tall and weigh a massive 2,500 kilograms. They're herbivores, and instead like to African elephants, both species. Horses can sleep both lying down and standing up. They can run shortly after birth. They have around 205 bones in their skeleton. They have been domesticated for over 5,000 years. They are herbivores, plant eaters. Horses have bigger eyes than any other mammal that lives on land. Because horses' eyes are on the side of their head, they are capable of seeing nearly 360 degrees at one time.